Hello, this video is brought to you by bellyfatlossformula.com. Today we are going to talk about which exercises burn belly fat. The exercises that burn belly fat fast will also help you to get rid of lower belly fat. They are focused specifically on building your lower ab muscle tone and burn lower belly fat. These creative and challenging ab exercises are not like anything you've ever seen or tried before. So it's best to give each one a try before attempting the entire lower ab workout in one session. To burn lower belly fat, you need to do two things. 1. Build muscle, which increase your metabolism and helps to burn fat throughout the body. 2. Raise your heart rate through cardiovascular exercises. If you want to lose stomach fat, these workouts will do both of these things simultaneously. If you're looking for a complete set of full-length workouts that will help you burn lower belly fat, check out the link in the description box. Okay, so moving on. If you're a beginner, shoot for 1 or 2 60-second rounds of each workout daily to burn belly fat. If you are more advanced, you can try for 3 to 4 60-second rounds of the entire burn belly fat workout. Here are the exercises to burn belly fat. 1. Reverse crunch. Lie down on the floor with your legs fully extended and arms to the side of your torso with the palms on the floor. Your arms should be stationary for the entire exercise. Move your legs up so that your thighs are perpendicular to the floor, feet are together and parallel to the floor. This is the starting position. While inhaling, move your legs towards the torso as you roll your pelvis backwards and you raise your hips off the floor. At the end of this movement, your knees will be touching your chest. Hold the contraction for a second and move your legs back to the starting position while exhaling. Repeat for the recommended amount of time. 2. Frog jump. For this exercise to be most effective, you need to do it the right way. Begin with squatting all the way down to the ground, place both your hands right in front of you. Now jump into the air and tap your heels at the same time. If you find the movement difficult, feel free to keep your hands behind your head. Do whatever makes you feel comfortable. If possible, don't stop for the entire 60 seconds. 3. Right-left crunch. Okay, so, lie down on your back. Preferably on a yoga mat or other thin pad. If you're comfortable lying on the bare floor, you can do without the mat. Now, bend your knees and plant your feet flat on the mat. Place your hands on each side of your head, elbows winged out to the sides. Don't clasp your hands behind your head, this keeps you from inadvertently pulling on your neck. Now imagine a diagonal line from your right hip to your left shoulder. Engage your abs, lifting your shoulders slightly off the mat. Then envision folding your body along that diagonal line as you bring your right shoulder toward your left knee. Relax back down until your shoulders almost rest on the mat, but don't release the muscle tension in your abs. Crunch in the other direction, folding your body along an imaginary line from your left hip to your right shoulder. Return to the middle position without releasing the tension in your abs. This completes 1 repetition. 4. Explode up sprint. For this, you lie on stomach with chest on floor and toes tucked underneath. Count to 3 and push up and bring 1 foot under you. Explode up while lifting one leg, then bring that leg and body down and behind you in one continuous motion. Get back into starting position, alternate sides for 60 seconds. That's the 4 exercises that will help you burn belly fat. Did this help you? If so, we would greatly appreciate it if you'd comment below and share this video on social media. By the way, aren't you tired of being frustrated with your belly fat? Aren't you sick of not being able to lose an inch or more despite trying almost everything? Are you weight loss resistant? Did diets stop working a long time ago? Want to join the 2% club and lose the belly fat forever? Do yourself a favor, you deserve this. Check out our #1 recommended way to shed pounds and get rid of belly fat in the description box below. Remember, in the meantime, follow the exercise plan as laid out in this video and you'll be well on your way to burning your stubborn belly fat fast. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao.